Hello class, we are welcome back to this interesting channel. Today we are going to be seeing what we call simultaneous equation, but this time around it's exponential in nature and two unknowns. So how do we solve such type of problem? Let's give it a try. Solution. This is a y equation. So we have 2, let's say 2 to the power of x plus y, which is equals to 16. I'll call this equation 1. And 4 to the power of x minus y, which is equals to 1 all over 32. I'll call this my equation 2. It will be easier that way. So to tackle this type of problem, you see 16 can be in terms of 2. Why? Because 16 is the same thing as what? 2 to the power of 4. Also 32 can be in terms of 2. Why? Because 32 is equivalent to what? 2 to the power of 5. So from equation 1, let's do it bit by bit. From equation 1, 2 to the power of x plus y, you see 16 becomes what? 2 to the power of what? 4. So in indices here we do what we call, we equate the powers. Equate the powers. It means 2 and 2 will cancel. So we now have x plus y is equals to 4. Let's call this our equation 3. Also from equation 2, 4 to the power of x minus y is equals to 1 over 32, which is the same thing as 1 all over 2 to the power of 5. You get it? And this can be equivalent to what? 2 to the power of minus 5 from reciprocal law, from laws of indices. Once it goes up, the negative will appear. So in that case, we now have 4 to the power of x minus y is equals to 2 to the power of minus 5. You get it? And this, you know, also 4 can be in terms of 2. We can have 2 to the power of 2, then I'll put a bracket, x minus y is equals to what? 2 to the power of what? Minus 5. So in that case, we also what? Equate powers. 2 and 2 will go. We now have what? 2 bracket x minus y is equals to what? Minus 5. So let's call this our equation 4. You see? So we are progressing. So in that case, from equation 3, which says x plus y equals to 4. So I'm going to make x the subject. Make x the subject. You get it? So if I'm making x the subject, so it means y will come here. So we now have x is equals to 4 minus 5. Sorry, 4 minus y. Let's call this our 5. So I'm going to substitute x is equals to 4 minus y in equation 3. You get it? In what? In equation 3. So where's our equation 3? I will write it again. We now have in equation 4. Why? Because we picked it from equation 3, so we are not going to put it in equation 3. We are going to substitute it in what? In equation 4. So I will rewrite the equation 4, which is what? 2x minus y is equals to what? Minus 5. So we now have 2. Let's put a bracket. Our x now is what? 4 minus y, and we have minus y is equals to what? Minus 5. So we now have 2 bracket 4 minus y is equals to what? Minus 5. We now have 2 bracket 4 minus 2y is equal to minus 5. So let's divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will go. We now have 4 minus 2y is equal to minus 5 all over 2. You get it? So in that case, we can say we now have so in that case, you see this is minus 2y. If it crosses the equal sign, it becomes plus, and already we have 4 here. This is minus. If it crosses here, we have what? We have a plus. So let's take the LCM. The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5, which we have what? 2y. You get it? So we now have 8 plus 5 is 13 over 2, which is equals to 2y. You divide both sides by 2. This 2 and 2 will go. So therefore, our y now is 13 over 2 times divided by 2, which is equivalent to 13 over 2 times 1 over 2. We now have our y is 13 over 4. So this is going to be the value of y. So let's try and put, or let's say substitute y, which is equals to 13 over 4 in, let's say, equation 3. So we know that x plus y is equals to 4. You get it? So our equation 3 is x plus y. So if you look at it, you see this is our equation 3. X plus y is equals to 4. So in that case, we now have so we are going to replace y with this. So x plus 13 over 4 is equals to 4. So this, if it cross here, it becomes minus. X is equals to 4 minus 13 over 4. So let's look for the LCM. The LCM is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 1. 1 times 13 is 13. So 16 minus 13, we have 3 over 4. So our x is now what? 3 over 4. Therefore, the values of x and y from this in this equation, which is simultaneous in nature, is what? X is 3 over 4 and y is 13 over 4. So this will be our final answer, as you can see.